Bro, this is not some type of magic or mystical thing going on. I'm just telling you about energy, literally. You feel me? Yin and yang. Everyone has a dark side. Everyone has a light side. Simple as that. All right. So there's ways to use it to be successful, and obviously, it can definitely put you on the wrong side of life, meaning chaos. What you got to do is acknowledge it. You just gotta acknowledge it. Not everybody is aware that they have a dark side to them. Some people live in a dark side, like it's consumed them to the utmost. And so I'm saying that because literally, bro, there's people that's committing crimes. Like they just always raging out. You know what I mean? But like I said though, you just gotta embrace it. Now, the dark side comes about when something happens in your life. Whether you're in an argument, you want to do something with your girl, meaning like get down with her. You feel me? I don't know how sensitive YouTube is right now. I'm kind of just starting to make these videos, but I'm sure you know where I'm going with that. But just that desire. You feel me? When you want to do something with your girl, bro, you got that desire, bro. Like you want to do anything, bro. Like you want it right now. You feel me? That desire within you, bro. That's like the dark side right there. All right, you just gotta embrace it, bro. Now in arguments too. Say someone's getting under your skin, bro. You just want to say something or do something to them so badly, bro. You can literally feel it inside you. Like you can't really, you can't really explain it. You know what I mean? It's just a feeling inside you. Just before you rage out, like any of that, it's the dark side, bro. That's what it is right there. And so to use it for success, you have to be aware of it. You have to know when to turn it off and turn it on. For example, bro, the time where I used it in my life is when I wanted to get into contact with somebody who's in a position that I wanted to be in at the time. This is about 2019. I just left college around that time, like before then. And so I took a class, online class, a business class at that. It was virtual. It was a Zoom. I won't say the guy's name, but it was these people that do real estate and they know about credit and things like that. And so I'm starting off fresh. Feel me? I have no information, but I know where I wanted to be at. Feel me? And so I'm someone who dealt with social anxiety. Anybody who knows me know that back then, like I'm by myself. You know what I'm saying? I'm to myself. I'm quiet. I'm not really out and about. Feel me? I'm just that quiet guy over there. You feel me? And so I dealt with social anxiety, like talking about like heavy sweats, bro, like shaking, bro. Like I do a presentation at school, and you feel me? Like I'm sweating and I'm sweating bullets, bro. But for me to really get through that during that time, bro, like I'm saying, that dark side came out of me in a way that really helped me out because I ended up reaching out to the guy to get his information so I could get in contact with him so I could learn from him to help me get to where I wanted to be. And so I did that. He gave me his number. He looked at my credit profile, told me I needed this, that, and the third. He said, everything's smooth. I kind of built that relationship with him. And so he gave me discounts on trade lines, things like that. Like when I say discounts, I mean like dirt cheap compared to everybody else that he didn't know. And so even with that, bro, he put me onto a bank that helped me out. And to this day, I'm grateful for it. And so, that's just the dark side right there. Like that deep desire within me, wanting to take action right here because I know it'll help me out. And so that's what I just did. And that's how the dark side can help you out. But you just have to embrace it. At that time, I didn't know that it was a dark side. I didn't know, you feel me? Like I wasn't aware of it. I didn't know what it was called. I didn't know any of that. I just know I felt it inside me. You know what I'm saying? That deep desire to go ahead and get it done. And so there's people like Mike Tyson and Conor McGregor, you know, they can get lost in a dark they can get lost in that dark side. You can see them getting arrested and things like that for just having like public outlashes and just dealing with rage. You feel me? Breaking stuff, fighting people in public, things like that. And that's the dark side of them. You feel me? Now, if they do want to switch it off and switch it on, meaning if they just use that dark side only in the ring, you know what I'm saying, specifically for their career only, it'll be a different outcome when it comes to like the trouble and things like that they dealt with. And so this is how you really use the dark side, bro. You have to go through something in life so you can feel that dark side, but you have to know when to, shut it off and turn it on or switch to the light side. You can live in balance with the light side and dark side, but then if you're overly on the dark side, bro, it will consume you to the utmost. So you have to be aware of it. Because if you're not aware of it, it will take over your life. You will be someone that, what I'm saying, like people don't really want to be around because you will cause chaos in a way that, what I'm saying, like people just don't want to be around you, bro. You could be upset, punching holes in your wall, bro. People come to your house and it's like, yo, what the F is going on in this crib, bro? Feel me? So that's why you gotta just know. You know what I mean? The light side is good, obviously. The dark side could be good too. It could be good and also bad. We just have to know how to control it. Um, but yeah, that the dark side though is just you not giving a F, bro. Like you just gotta go ahead and handle that. The dark side is literally you not giving a fuck, bro. You just gotta go ahead and do your thing. You can't care. You feel me? You could be selfish with your time. You could be selfish with, certain things about you so you can achieve your goal. And that's okay. But the dark side, when it comes to you going overboard with it, doing stuff that shouldn't be done, like illegal trouble, things like that. All right, stop. You gotta know. You gotta know when to put a pause on that. Embrace your dark side. Embrace it. Just be careful.